Every brand out there will kind of do the same type of job. They all dig the dirt, but when it comes down to actually having reliability, that's where the true measure of the equipment comes in, and that's the reason we've chosen to stick with Takeuchi. My name is Chris Graeler. I'm with Expert Rentals here in St. Peters, Missouri. We're an equipment rental company carrying everything from small handheld tools all the way up to larger 30,000-pound excavators. The reason we added more TL8s to our fleet was the fact of the reliability of these machines. Besides small maintenance on it, there's no big breakdowns. That's what our customers like. They just need to complete a job, so we're helping them to finish the job, and the Takeuchis are a machine that's reliable, so they can be able to finish the job they need to be done. Customers are really liking the power on the machines, what they can get done with the machines, and how easy the controls are for them. They truly appreciate that. Working with Luby and Randy White there has been a great partnership and a friendship for our business. We can work with each other, and they have definitely met our needs and helped us out.